Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Windows Startup error 0x490, then let's look at the solution. There are two commands that we need to run in command prompt. So we'll look for command prompt in the search bar. Right click, run as administrator, yes. And we enter the command chkdsk space /r /f space /r and enter. Yes, and we press enter. The second command that we need to run, command right click, run as administrator, yes, and we need to run the command boot boot rec.exe and press enter. Restart the computer and this should fix the problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.